You're listening to the Red Network, where truth is our currency. Red Network, spreading the truth. You're listening to the Red Network. We keep the world informed. Hey, you. Yeah, you, listening to the radio. Do you need a hot meal quick but don't want to spend a ton of cash? Are you craving that homemade taste but you don't have time to cook? Then come on down to O'Toole's. Bring your whole family. O'Toole's serves fast, delicious, quality food that your family has trusted for years. That's why when your tummy growls, it growls for O'Toole's, the family place. Watch the #1 show in America, Executive Decision. Bob Breer tackles your world news without fear.
What amendments to the Second Amendment do you want to do? What do you want to do? Why is it so easy?
While other news sources report with their agenda first, Bob Breer takes a hard line with top cuts.
Why don't you have a drug
At the Red Table, reporters, pundits, and lawmakers are taken to task. Join the one reporter who won't show his belly when the Washington Wolves are howling at his door.
Why does it...
Executive Decision, weeknights on the Red Network. We keep the world informed. Are you ready to put foot to ass for sweet Lady Liberty? Are you ready to kick ass for the greatest country in the world? It's time to get locked, cocked, and ready to rock. Experience warfare like you've never experienced it before. Biological warfare. Now gas up to 20 opponents with our massive multiplayer servers. Biological warfare. Get your copy now, you pitiful weasel. From TELUS. Do you need legal help? Have you been recently injured? Are you fighting for alimony or lost wages? Then call Elbow, Glover, and Speck for all your legal needs, right here in Simi Valley. Don't let cost be your deterrent. We don't collect unless you do. Our legal team fights for you. With over 100 years of legal experience, our team can handle any legal issue. Elbow, Glover, and Speck, attorneys at law in Simi Valley. Visit us at simivalleylaw.com or call us at 1-800-LAW-HELP. That's 1-800-LAW-HELP. Almost 20 years ago, a storm ripped through the gaming landscape. The greatest home console of all time brought a tidal wave of change to the way you game. Now, it's time to evacuate your old gaming systems, board up the windows, find shelter, and get to higher ground. In 2018, prepare to be blown away by Super Typhoon X. The most advanced gaming system on the market with custom Sunburst CPU, 1.75 gigahertz with 8 cores, 1 terabyte hard drive with 4K UHD Blu-ray drive. TELUS VR compatibility via USB adapter.
Reserve today and get your special edition Exit Wounds Detroit and Exit Wounds Gunskin Package Bundle for $699.99. TELUS Super Typhoon X. It's not just a better game, it's a better reality.
Family. It's what drives your passions. It's what motivates you. Family stands with you at the starting gate and meets you at the finish line to celebrate your success. We understand the value of family and providing the healthcare your family needs. We understand because we are one. Our family helped build America. Our passions drove us to greatness. We use that same passion to help you build your legacy. At Milliner Urgent Care, we've dedicated that legacy to helping American families stay healthy and grow strong. For nearly 100 years, Milliner Healthcare has been a leading medical provider dedicated to the most cost-effective urgent care. You shouldn't have to worry about cost when you worry about your family. Milliner Urgent Care. Together, we're family. Our world gets smaller every day. Information moves at the speed of light. In this smaller world of the future, Your concerns for safety are more important than ever. The days of leaving our doors unlocked are gone. Our world has evolved, and so should your security needs. Don't settle for old-fashioned systems when your family and friends are the valuables you need to protect. Move into the future with Magadon. With new Magadon Security, we provide state-of-the-art computer and home protection. Just because you don't think your information is valuable doesn't mean cyber criminals agree. With our patented Net Vault technology, identity theft is a thing of the past. You work hard for what you've earned. Magadon Security thinks you should sleep well knowing we're there to protect you. With Magadon Home Security, we will respond instantly to unauthorized intrusion. Civil unrest, street crime, domestic disturbances, identity theft, and cyber terrorism are realities of this world. Let Magadon Security stand for you. Whether you want to protect your family or your major corporate assets, let Magadon Security stand for you. Magadon, building a better you.
Now, from TELUS Enterprises and Black Dog Game Factory, the moon is full again. Isn't it time you transformed your game? Winner of 35 awards at this year's E4. Everything else is just meat. Lycanthrope the Rapture. An experience 10 years in the making. Games aren't just for kids anymore. This game will tear your soul apart.
Coming soon for all systems, Lycanthrope the Rapture. Rated adults only. Pre-order now at Herrick's and get a Lycanthrope the Rapture minifigure and free clay fetish starting weapon DLC.